Hey, my name is Preston. In this video, we have the opportunity to visit the office space of Atlantis. They are a successful, fast-growing technology company that's changing the way people own homes. I'm excited to check it out. Let's do it. Hey, Tom.
Hey, Preston, welcome. I was expecting you.
Cheers. Thank you so much for having me.
Of course.
And this is your office space.
This is the office.
Can we go check it out?
Let's check it out. Let's have a beer.
Yes.
And check it out. Our mission is to be innovative, compassionate, and to guide people on their unique path to homeownership. So when people come in, they can see exactly why we're here, what we're doing.
It's absolutely amazing that you have a mission that really resonates with a lot of people today.
So this is the main space.
Okay.
We've got a meeting room. We've got a bunch of people doing amazing work.
This is amazing. So tell me, when did you move in here?
We moved in here pretty recently. We moved in here about a month and a half ago.
A month and a half ago. And at capacity, how many people can fit here?
At capacity, it can fit about 40 people.
40 people.
So right now, pandemic, what we're saying is if people want to be in, they're welcome to come at any point, but also welcome to stay at home. More people are coming out than we expected. So today is Thursday, and we've got 3/4 of the team here.
I love it.
It's amazing.
And may I ask, how big is the team today?
The team today is 21 people.
Wow, so still got a lot of space to fill
A
here.
lot of space to fill out, and that's where we need your help and spending a lot of time talking to all the amazing candidates who are interested in joining us.
So the word is, to get a job at Atlantis, you have to be good at basketball.
You have to hit this. If you don't, you're out. Welcome to the team.
Yes, thank you for having me. Excited to join. So how many conference rooms do you have here? Because I'm just looking around and I'm surrounded by rooms.
Yeah, we've got a lot of conference rooms. We've got 5 conference rooms, and we have a lot of meetings, a lot of collaboration on the team. And also we make a lot of phone calls. And so whenever someone has a phone call to make and they want some quiet, people just, take a conference room, get some quiet. It's a lot of activity in the office all the time. So it's also a way to have some space.
Did you even go so far to soundproof some of these conference rooms too?
They're pretty soundproof. Every now and then, this is New York, so you hear the fire truck, sirens blazing, but yeah, they're pretty good.
Very cool. All right, so we're in the yellow conference room here at Atlantis, and what is the main purpose of this room?
This room does a lot of things. We have our all hands here, we gather around, some people stand, some people sit. But my favorite moments in this room are when we're whiteboarding. We use this all the time, and it's one of our favorite things. We're all very creative. We've got people who have such different opinions. We just put it all on the board. We arrange ideas together. Some of our best ideas have come from the whiteboarding sessions we've had in this room.
And it's a good sized board too.
It's a big board. We need a big board. We've got a lot of people here.
All right, so we're arguably in the most important room at Atlantis. This is really where all the work and magic happens. We're at the kitchen.
Chocolate is actually one of the values at Atlantis. One of our values is have fun and share chocolate. I'm from Belgium, so I've got this very special love for chocolates. But it's also a symbol of joy and sharing and giving, and we're working pretty hard here. It only makes sense if we have fun doing it, so that's what it is.
What is this, Tom?
This is our office mascot. Her name is Pixie. She attends the meetings with us. She watches us while we're working. She supports us every day. She's always with us. We all very much care for her.
Hello, Pixie. And I noticed Pixie is a unicorn.
Pixie is a unicorn. It was a gift from a friend at the very beginnings of the company, from a friend of the company. And she's been with us for years now. It's a long way to go, but she's inspiring us to always do better.
It's sort of thrown.
It's her throne, yeah.
So if somebody was really excited about Atlantis, the mission, want to join, but they're not in New York City, can they still apply?
Yeah, there are a lot of roles for which you don't have to be in New York City. And if that's the case, we're going to schedule an interview with you, and you might be on that screen and get to meet some of us this way when we're in this room.
Very cool. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hits the spot.
Good?
It's so good.
I'm glad.
But Tom, I really want to thank you for taking time out of your busy day to really show us around your operations and your wonderful office space here. I had a wonderful time. I hope you did too. Definitely excited to see what Atlantis is going to do this year, next 3 to 5 years, and all the great things we're going to accomplish.
It's always a pleasure to have you, Preston. So come back often. Let's have a beer. It's awesome to show you around.
Thanks again, and I'll work on my basketball game next time.
Yeah, we need it. See you soon.
Cheers. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, just comment down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.